Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, I just realized I'm back on the upstairs bathroom right now, in case you're wondering. And yeah, it's been a long time since I've been able to do anything on this with all the different things going on. But I'm back doing it, and I just realized when I was pulling this down here that I really didn't do a video on pulling sheetrock down where I wasn't able to see the screws. So if you can't find the screws and you can't find the tape, kind of what I like here where it's covered with not only paint and layers of spackle but also some texturing and things like that, I am going to show you over here. Hopefully you can see this. I know my light's not great, but we're going to deal with it. What we should do over here. Okay, and I got my favorite little crowbar here. And I'm going to start in the middle because I know there's probably a stud somewhere in here and a stud over here. You should have this and some safety glasses, which I'm going to put safety glasses on. And I hit a stud right in the middle there. Kind of why I use this. You could use a regular hammer, it doesn't really matter. This just kind of makes a smaller area. I'm going to go along. So there's a stud here and a stud here and some studs here. I'm assuming. Yeah, maybe not. Anyway, put a line across there. Now I'm going to put gloves on. And I'm going to put this on. In there. And you can take bigger chunks off that way. Throw them in your garbage can. So, if you can't find the screws, which now I've undone quite a few screws here, can't find the screws, that's the best way to kind of go about smaller sections like that. Now really you could just take this and start breaking off sections like that. Now that you got yourself a place to go, I'm going to probably take and actually put a razor blade up against here, and that way this corner will break a lot more cleanly than I'm getting it right now as well if I take a razor blade across that corner. So just kind of a tip and trick there. It's going to be messy, it's going to be work, but in the end that's still a fairly little bit cleaner way of doing it because you're taking it off in bite-sized chunks. And you're not just, you know, bashing little tiny pieces all over your floor that you have to later on sweep up. I mean, there's obviously going to be quite a few little tiny pieces anyway, but this just gives you a little bit. I personally think it's a little faster, less work in the end for a guy that's just doing it himself. Yeah, if you've got workers that are going to come in after you demolish everything and clean it all up for you, yes, it's going to probably be faster for you to just remove it all. But right now I can just take it a chunk at a time pretty easily, throw it in my garbage can, go dump the garbage can. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.